In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to register and activate your account in gada.chat. So please watch the video carefully as I show you how to get your account registered and activated in gada.chat. So the first thing you need to do is to visit gada.chat. Now, when you visit gada.chat, you'll be taken to the home page of the social media app like you're seeing here on my screen. So when you are here on gada.chat, the first thing you need to do is to check the top right hand corner of the page, and you're going to see this menu here. So click on this menu. When you click on this menu, you're going to see this menu come up. So you click on sign up since you want to register a new account. Now when you click on sign up, you are going to see this page here asking for your personal details like your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, and your password. So you go ahead and enter your details. Let's assume your name is John. So that's your first name. You enter John as your first name. Your surname can be Mark, James, or whatever. So you choose, let's just take Mark. Let's say your first and last name are John and Mark. So you enter your first and last name. Now you choose a username for yourself. You can decide to use John Mark as your username. Now the next thing to do is to enter your email address. Please make sure you are entering an active email because you will need to verify your account after registration using that email. So you enter your email address here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use a disposable mail. So I'll go ahead and enter the disposable mail. But in your own case, use an active email address. So after entering my email, the next thing to do is to enter my password. Please make sure you enter a strong password. Should be a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, something that somebody cannot easily guess. So once you're done entering your details here, you can still go up to check to confirm that your details are entered correctly. Now, once you are sure that you've entered your details correctly, you need to click on the sign up button. Now, once you click on the sign up button, you're going to see this other page requesting for your date of birth. So right here, you click here to select your month of birth, and then you click here to select your day of birth, and then you click to select your year of birth. Okay, in this case, I'm using year 2000. Now, once you're done with that, the next thing to do is to confirm that you're not a robot by checking this box here. It says I'm not a robot, so check that box. In some cases, when you click that box, a captcha is going to come out asking you to select pictures that matches whatever they are asking you to do. So once you're done with that, you now check this box here to agree that you will be receiving newsletter from gada.chat. Now the next thing to do is to check this other box to approve that you have accepted terms and conditions of gada.chat. Now once you're done with that, the next thing to do is to click on the sign up button. All right, now when you click on the sign up button, you wait for the page to load up. It's loading, so be patient, be patient. All right, seems like network is a bit slow, but not to worry, be patient because it's going to load up. And sometimes if it takes a little bit of time to load up, you just refresh the page and you still continue from where it stopped. So like in this case, I just refreshed the page. All right, now it takes me to another page asking me to complete my registration process. So it says getting started. This information will let us know more about you. So I have about two more steps here to complete. Yeah, three more steps, right? Three. So the first step to complete now is to upload my profile picture. So what you need to do in this case is to come to this avatar here that you're seeing here. Check below the avatar, you're going to see this camera icon. So you click on that camera icon. Now when you click on that camera icon, it's going to load up your phone storage. So when it loads up your phone storage, you now select any picture of your choice. That's the picture you want to use as your profile picture. Now when you select it, you click. All right, the picture is loading up. Okay, now in most cases, you might be required to crop your picture to your preferred size. So by using this icon here, look at this icon. Sometimes when your picture loads up, it might cut off some parts of the picture, but if you want those parts to be displayed, you have the freedom to do that by using this box here. You use this box, just click on it and drag, and it will crop your picture. And once you're done cropping your picture to your preferred size, the next thing to do is to click on save. Now voila, your profile picture has been uploaded successfully. Now I know you've been seeing these notification pop up. That's if you haven't installed the APK, that's the gada.chat app. You just click on this install APK and it will install the app directly to your phone. But if you've already done that, you just click close to minimize that notification. Now once you are here, now you see you've completed the first step, that is uploading your profile picture. So the next thing you are going to do is to update your information. So for you to do that, you click on the next button. Now here, the first thing to do is to select your country of origin. If you are from Nigeria, you select Nigeria. Just select any country that you are from. Now after that, you enter your city, your current city. If you are in Lagos, you enter Lagos, then click OK. Then your hometown. Now if you are from, let's say you are from Lagos, so you can still use Lagos as your hometown, and then click OK. Now here you enter your work title. Let's say you are a graphics designer. You just select graphics designer. Now your workplace, this is your location, your work address, your website. If you have a website, you enter that too here. Then you come down to education. You can enter your educational details here, but these other informations are not that important. If you want to skip them, you can actually skip, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. So once you're sure you've entered this information correctly, you click on save changes. And now once you're done with clicking that, you click next step. Now you're taken to another page. Now on this page here, you would have the freedom to add new friends. And if you don't want to add anybody yet as your friend, you can simply click on the finish button. Now once you click on that finish button, you're going to wait for the page to load up. Now it's loading up. Now it's taking you to the official page of gada.chat. Always remember to minimize that notification if you've already installed the app in your phone. All right, now the account has been successfully registered and you are greeted with the Gada's homepage notification. All right, now the next thing to do is to go back and activate your account. All right, now to get your account verified, you have to go to menu here. That is the menu at the bottom right of the page. Click on the menu. Now when you click on the menu, the next thing to do is to click on settings. Now when you click on settings, wait for it to load up. Now you'll be taken to this page. It says email verification required. Check your email inbox to complete the verification process. Now in some cases, if you go back to your inbox and you can't find the email, you can always come back and click on this button that says resend verification email. So now I have to go to my inbox and check if the email has arrived so that I can activate the account. Now I'm right here in my inbox, and voila, the email is here already. The verification email has been sent to my inbox. So the next thing to do now is to click on the email to open up. Now the verification email from gada.chat has opened. So what you have to do next to get your account verified is to follow the instruction given here. It says, "Hi John Mark, to complete the activation process, please follow this link." That is this link here. So I'll click on the link, and the moment I click on that link, it will activate my account automatically and takes me to my gada.chat homepage like you're seeing here now. So in this case, the account has been successfully activated. So for you to be sure that the account is successfully activated, you go back to the menu and to settings, wait for it to finish loading up. All right, you can see that the notification asking you to get your email address verified has disappeared, and that means that your account has been successfully verified. So I hope this helped. That's just how to get your account registered and activated in gada.chat platform. Thank you for watching.